I've cleaned a lot of sinks in my day. I've also used a lot of different products and tools to clean sinks in my day. And while you can use a plethora of very expensive stuff to do the job, you can also use some very inexpensive cleaning products to clean your sink. Things like vinegar, baking soda, and dish soap, stuff I talk about all the time. In terms of the tools that you need to clean your sink, well, you need a cleaning toothbrush if you want to get into those nooks and crannies, a good quality sponge, and of course, a great microfiber cloth. Let me show you the technique. To get your sink shiny, first up, you want to give it a nice spray down with an all-purpose cleaner. This can be nothing more than 2 cups of water and a squirt of dish soap. Next, sprinkle some baking soda in there. Now, admittedly, I used a little too much here, but about half a cup for each sink works really well. I've doused this paper towel in white vinegar and I'm wrapping it around the handle just to help loosen up any hard water buildup that I can scrub after. Now I'm spraying a cleaning toothbrush with all-purpose cleaner, a little bit of dish soap, you know, a regular dental cleaning. And I'm going around and cleaning the grime around from the top of the sink. I know it's a small area, but trust me, things can build up in the sink and you don't want them there. Now I'm continuing to spray the sink with some all-purpose cleaner and I'm getting into another nook and cranny, the area around the drain itself. This can get grimy and you know, every now and then doing a detailed clean with a toothbrush really makes a difference. Next, I'm taking a sponge just with water, nothing more, and giving the sink a good scrub, starting at the top and kind of swirling my way down and around to the bottom. Baking soda and dish soap work so well at cleaning a sink because not only does it lift grease and dirt, but it provides a little bit of abrasion to help get rid of any of that buildup. Make sure that you rinse really, really well. That is going to be critical to getting a good shine. You don't want any residue left behind. All right, I'm removing that vinegar-soaked paper towel and scrubbing the nooks and crannies of the faucet to get rid of not only that crusty hard water buildup, but anything else that kind of gets caught in these little grooves from time to time. Now I'm polishing the faucet up nicely with this double-sided utility cloth. It's got 2 sides, a general purpose side and this ultra plush fluffy side, which is so good for buffing. I'm finishing up the buffing work by buffing the sink. This is the hallmark of a clean sink if it's nice and shiny. Now I should tell you, if you notice any streaks, you can spray pure white vinegar into your sink. That's if there's any residue left behind, and then just continue polishing. The vinegar really takes care of the problem. Speaking of vinegar, you can also fill a plastic bag with vinegar, affix it to your faucet, and let it sit overnight. When you remove it the next morning, you will notice that all of that flaky hard water buildup is gone. And that is how you clean a sink. As I said, there are many different ways you can do it. That to me is just the inexpensive, quick, and easy way to get the job done. And I'd love to know in the comments down below, what would you like to see me clean next? You may or may not know this, but I've run a cleaning business since 2006. I also have another YouTube channel called Clean My Space. I do know a thing or two about cleaning, so let me know what your cleaning challenges are and I will tackle them in a video just for you. If you want to learn more about our amazing microfiber cloths, you can visit our website, makersclean.com. And if you want to know how to make that all-purpose cleaner, you can check out this video right here. It is simple and it will save you tons of money. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the Makers Clean channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.